Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Mike, the Crazy-Eyed Cruiser, and today we're going to be taking a quick tour of Amber Cove. This is a Carnival-owned resort in the Dominican Republic. Let's get started. Once you get into Amber Cove, there's two ways that you can go. To the left is going to be the retail therapy side where all the retail shops are, and to the right is going to be where the pools and sky bar and all that stuff is. So let's get started to the right. As you can see, as soon as you come in, there's a large pool with swim up bar. Now, this is going to be extremely crowded, so make sure you get here pretty early to make sure you get a seat. There are umbrellas that are provided, but they are provided at a cost. They're $25 each. As we make our way up and over the bridge here, you're going to see that there's a wade pool. It's called a lazy river, I guess, but really you just kind of walk around it and wade all the way around the outside, and it comes out over there to the right. But again, you can see there's a large pool. There are some cabanas back there if you want to rent those as well at an additional cost. There's also a zip line that you can ride unlimited for a cost of $28. The entrance to the zip line is located up on the hill there above the cabanas. As we make our way around the right side of the main pool, this is where you're going to come across the entrance to the water slides. They're $6 unlimited all day. As you can also see, there's plenty of seating over on this side as well, and a small walk-in wade pool. And as you can see, we were here in the middle of August, and a lot of people were definitely taking advantage of the pools. It was scorching hot. Let's make our way back around the main pool and head over towards the sky bar. Here we're going back by the main pool and the swim up bar. This area, they tend to play more music and it's more of the party atmosphere. Here we're going back over the bridge and another shot of the lazy river wade pool. As you can see over on this side too, there's tons of seating everywhere. Over to the left of the lazy river, there was some cabanas there that you could rent as well. Right off the main pool, there is a restaurant and bar, just in case you get hungry or thirsty. For anyone looking to get a pedicure or just relax and cool your feet, give the Caribbean Spa a try. 10 minutes will cost you $16.50, 20 minutes will cost you $22, and 30 minutes will cost you $27.50. I don't know. To me, it just looks a little fishy. Now let's go check out the sky bar. After we take a hike up these stairs, once you get to the top, there is a bar. They do serve food and drinks, and there is a nice scenic view up there. So we'll check that out once we get up there. Here at the top of the sky bar tends to be a great spot to take selfies with the ship in the background. This happens to be the Carnival Vista. Here at the Sky Bar, we did indulge in a couple mango margaritas. They were 2 for $10. It was some kind of buy one get one free special. Here's overlooking the main pool, and of course a couple more flybys by the zip line. At this point, we've made it back down to the retail area. Anybody looking for some retail therapy, this is definitely the port to find it. There's plenty of shops, plenty of jewelry stores, plenty of knickknacks. Something for everybody, really. Here in between the shops, if you take a quick walk down this path, you'll see it's another great opportunity to take a picture of the ship and the background. Definitely a popular spot. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this Amber Cove tour. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, as we will have other port tours and ship tours coming up soon, including the Carnival Glory, the Carnival Paradise, and the Carnival Mardi Gras. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already seen it, make sure you check out our tour on the Carnival Vista.